Now, the e-PKTT was established as a project. It was allocated a specific budget taken from various programs. At the time. In other words, it was not budgeted for in a normal way where you budget for a program in a department. It had a team that just been set up mid-year and then a budget. Found to make it move on as required. Now, as such, like the principles that apply to all other projects of government, it would require periodic extensions or assessments, not extensions, but periodic assessments. It would require a budget to run. It would require a period which would be at which it will end. There's no project that I'm aware of in government that runs indefinitely. They are all time bound. Now, the initial mandate of the e-PKTT was actually for 6 months, not 6 years, 6 months, from July 2018 to the end of the year. It was then extended from January to July 2019. And thereafter they decided that if any extension, it would be annual. But initially it was 6 months. That's why at the end of first 6 months, there was an assessment. And it was decided consciously that there would need to be an extension, which was for another 6 months.